If your Zoom Workspace app won't connect, keeps loading, or gets stuck at connecting, don't worry. Here are the most effective fixes you can try. 1. Check your internet connection. Before anything, make sure your internet is stable. Restart Wi-Fi. Switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa. Restart your router if needed. If the connection is weak, Zoom may fail to initialize. 2. Restart the Zoom Workspace app. Closing the app completely often solves temporary glitches. On mobile, swipe it away from recent apps. On PC or Mac, quit Zoom from the tray and reopen it. Then try signing in again. 3. Update the Zoom Workspace app. Outdated versions commonly cause connection issues. Go to the App Store, Google Play, or Zoom official site. Install the latest update. Restart the app after updating. 4. Check the Zoom service status. Zoom servers could be down. Google Zoom service status. If servers are experiencing outages, you must wait until Zoom resolves the issue. 5. Clear app cache, mobile and desktop. On Android, settings, to apps, to Zoom, to storage, to clear cache and clear data. Reopen the app and sign in. On iPhone, delete the app. Reinstall it from the App Store. On Windows or Mac, sign out, close Zoom, go to the Zoom folder, clear temporary files without deleting login files. Restart. 6. Disable VPN or proxy. VPNs, proxies, or work firewalls often block Zoom. Try turning off VPN, switching to a home network, disabling proxy settings. 7. Allow Zoom through the firewall. Windows. Open Windows Security, Firewall and Network Protection, allow an app, find Zoom, and allow it for private plus public networks. Then retry connecting. 8. Reinstall the Zoom Workspace app. If nothing works, uninstall the app, restart your device. Install Zoom again from the official source. Reinstalling usually fixes corrupted files. 9. Try logging in from the web. If the app is down, check if your account works through the browser. Zoom.us/sign-in. If the web works but the app doesn't, the issue is local to your device or app. 10. Contact Zoom support. If the problem persists, gather your logs and contact Zoom support. support.zoom.com. They can check if your account or domain has restrictions. If you want, I can also create a shorter version, a YouTube-style script, a TikTok Shorts script. Just tell me.